Meaning of hybridize.
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 Hybridize. The term hybridize refers to the process of combining different elements to create something new. In biology, it can refer to the crossbreeding of two different species to produce a hybrid organism with unique characteristics. In chemistry, it can refer to the combination of two or more different substances to form a new compound. The result of hybridization is often a creation that possesses qualities from both its original components, resulting in increased diversity and innovation. This process has led to many breakthroughs in various fields throughout history.